What's the meaning of burnout? Burnout. Burnout.
Burnout. Burnout. Burnout refers to a state of emotional and physical exhaustion caused by prolonged stress, typically related to work. When someone experiences burnout, they feel overwhelmed, emotionally drained, and unable to meet the demands of their job or life in general. Symptoms include feelings of detachment and cynicism, reduced productivity, and a lack of motivation or interest in work or other activities. Burnout can lead to serious health problems such as depression, and it can also have a negative impact on personal relationships and overall quality of life. In short, burnout can result in a serious decline in well-being and functioning.